We're waiting for the green light. All right, guys, here we go. We got 2022 Topps Chrome Cosmic Baseball 3 hobby box break number 1. Let's roll through the team owners over here. We got Arizona going to Gare, ATL going to Kaput, Orioles going to the Shoe, Boston, Greger, Cubs, Sluski, White Sox, Slew, Reds, Greger, Cleveland, Rybone, Rockies going to Beef, Tigers, J-Dog, Astros, Stratton, Oakmont, Royals, Rybone, Angels, Marebear, Dodge, Haas, Marl, Ray Sports Cards, Brew Crew, Dylan the Mad Scientist, Minnesota Twins going to Sell, Mets going to Grouch, Yankees, Marebear, Oaktown going to Truett, Hammer, Phillies going to Rybone, Pirates, Shawnee, Padres, Greger, Giants, the Shoe, Seattle, Rybone, Cardinals, Evan, Tampa Bay, Rybone, Texas, Dustin O, Blue Jays, Ray Sports Cards, and the Nationals going to Marebear as well. Feel like we're still continuing on from last night, where we left off. I mean, this wasn't the product, but thank you guys, I appreciate it, and good luck on the Gila. All card ship in this one. We got Bear in the house. And we got Rocket Arms. Josh Hader. With the Rocket Arms. Trying to steal Roger Clemens' name. Rookie Gabriel Arias. Here, I'm going to put my little thing here. There we go. We got a rookie of Jake the Snake Myers for the Astros rookie. AJ. Stanton Refracta. Stanton Refracta for the Yankees. AJ. And we got Ernie Clement, rookie card for the Cleve. We got a Refracta. This is for the Dodge, Trey Turner and the Haas. And Bobby Witt Jr. Nice rookie card. Beard's getting big, eh? Bobby Witt Jr. Look like Grizzly Adams right now. Refracta Whit Merrifield, Kansas City Royals. For those that are older, remember Grizzly Adams show. Stephen Kawan rookie for the Cleve. Grizzly Adams. And you remember Little House on the Prairie. Seiya Suzuki, nice rookie. Also the Waltons. Good night, John Boy. Good night. I forgot the names of the... I just remember John Boy. Let's do it for Johnny, man. We got Rocket Arms. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Let's get those socials. Let's do it for Johnny. We got Cal Raleigh rookie for Seattle. That was the Outsiders, obviously. The Greasers. We got MJ Melendez rookie. Is that MJ? Yes. Kansas City Royals. Refracta Gleyber Torres for the Mare Bear. We got a refractor. That is Carlos Correa for the Minnesota Twins. Mini on Carlos. Lars Nootbaar rookie for STL. Color cards in this are beautiful. Joey Ryan, Minnesota Twins rookie. Our Lotus Chapman Rocket Arms. What did he could pitch? What, 105, 103, something like that? As a lefty. Our Lotus Chapman for the Yanks. Aaronola. Eating granola. We got Miggs Cabrera, DET refractor. We got a rookie CJ Abrams for the Compadres. Here we go, CJ. Here we go. And we got a cool die cut. I like these. Launched into orbit. We got Bryce Hoppa launched into orbit die cut. These are neat. Rookie Josiah Gray for the Nats. Royce Pimp Daddy Lewis for the Twins. Here we go, Royce. We got Circles rookie, Jose Siri. Circles, whatever they call this.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please say that again?
I wasn't talking to you.
Okay.
So, stop interrupting, Siri. Jose Siri rookie for the Astros. And we got G-Jax, rookie for the Twins. Siri's always interrupting like I didn't say hey Siri or nothing.
Miss, there's something else I can help with.
No, take a hike, Siri. Rocket Arms, you Darvish. Hey Siri, take a hike.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Nah, forget it. You Darvish, compadres. Ooh, what do we got there? Rookie refractor Teoscar Hernandez for the Blue Jays. Looks like we got some color. And it is for the Tampa Bay Rays gold rookie. Shane Baz. Boy, these are beautiful. Man, I will say. And that's 10 of 50 gold. Such a nice looking card, eh? $10 of 50 for TB. Who took TB? That was Rybone. Nice looking card, Rye. We got a rookie of Wander Franco for Tampa Bay. Rybone again. Another die cut of Launched into Orbit, Sammy Sosa. Sammy no whammies. And a blue prismatic Ernie Clement for the Cleveland Guardians. Number to 99 on the Guardians. We got a rookie Luis Gil for the Yanks. Brandon Marsh getting harsh for the Ainge. Jake Berger, rookie for the White Sox. And Spenny T, baby. Pimp Daddy, Spenny T. For the Tigers. Gotta love Spenny T. I like Jake Berger too. He's another one that was in the 2017 draft class with Royce Lewis and whatnot. All right, let's get some of these to the side and go to the next box here. One nucleus refractor per box, it says. Jose Siri. Julio Rodriguez.
Okay. I found this on the web for Jose Siri Julio Rodriguez. Check it out.
Astros Siri rookie. Nick Lodolo, the Bambolo for Cincy, rookie card. Happened with my... There they are. My sleeves got a little crazy. And we got Rocket Arms. That is Shane Bieber, Justin's brother. And we got gold, boys and girls, again. We got gold. That is for the Boston Red Sox. Look how pretty these are. Xander Bogaerts, number 24/50 for Boston. Beautiful gold refractor. Nice one for BOS. Absolutely beautiful. Vidal Sassoon Brujan for Tampa Bay rookie. Helio Ramos Bibabo for the Giants. Rookie card. Jackson Kowar rookie for the Royals. Francisco Lindor refractor. That is for the New York Mets. And we got the circles again. I forgot what they call this, but that is Josh Hader for the Brew Crew. Andrew McCutchen refractor for the Brew Crew again. Oh, sick. That's a beauty right there. God, this stuff's nice. Well, that was fun, SG. How are you, man? Yeah, that was a blast, huh, bro? It's a good time last night. It was just one of those nights. It was a good night, you know. It was fun. Number to 99, Bobby Witt Jr. Rookie card. That is sick. Number to 99. What a beauty. Congratulations, Royals, on that. That is Rybone. Jeez, Rybone. Wow, very nice, Rye. Yeah, Bowman Chrome Light tomorrow night. Not a full case, but we got Hoy Park, rookie for the Pit. Mackenzie Gore, rookie for the Brew Crew. But we'll have more cases next weekend. Rocket Arms, we've got Justin Verlander. Because he's a Rocket Man. We got a rookie, Emmanuel Rivera for KC. And we got a, whatever this is called, refractor, Alex Bregman for the Astros. These are kind of cool. Manny Machado, the Bambado. Ryan Velotti for the Rockies. And a refractor, Kershaw for the Haas. And we got a rookie card, Reed Detmers for the Angels. I like Reed. I think Reed might be pretty solid. Let me put these in there. Jeremy Pena for the Astros. Old Jer Bear. Brian Dela Cruz for Miami. Oh, what do we got here? Is this numbered? Launched into orbit. No, it's not. Byron Buxton. Thought maybe it had some color in there or something, but that is not the case. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Launched into orbit. Hunter Green for the Reds. Nice, Hunter. Where's Hunter? Alec Pimp Daddy Thomas for the D-backs. Alec's going to be a beast. Alec. And we got Yu Darvish for the Compadres on the rocket arm. And a rookie, Tyler McGill for the New York Mets. We got Anthony Rizzo. Refractor. And a rookie card of Jarren Duran for BOS. Nice Duransky. Launched into orbit again for the Royals. Salvador Perez. Not numbered. Rookie Colton Welker for the Rockies. Rookie. And Anthony Rendon, Refracta. What is that? Smashed into orbit or something? O'Neal Cruz, rookie card. Nice. For the Pit. And we got Rocket Arms. We have Josh Hader for the Brew Crew. Matt Manning, DET rookie. Refracta, Brandon Lowe. How low do you go? Santillan rookie for Cincy. Looks like we got our color early in that box. No autos yet. Hopefully, we get a nice auto in this one. Red Superfractor, orange transfer now. SGS got to experience the first transfer process last night. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Nick Castellanos, Refracta. Otherwise known as Nicky C. Just not from Staten Island. Seth Beer, rookie for D-backs. Rookie Matt Vierling for the Phillies, and a launch to orbit die cut. Fernando Tatis. Not numbered. Let's get Vierling up in here. There we go, Matty. Jarren Duran, rookie. BOS. Colton Welker, rookie for the Rocks, and Helio Ramos, Bibabo Bamos. Vidal Brujan for Tampa Bay, rookie. Rocket Arms, Shane Bieber, Justin's brother for the Cleve. Hunter Green for the Cincinnati Reds. Nice Hunter Green. CB Chris Bryant refractor for the Rockies. Oh, we got an auto. And it is a launched into orbit autograph. It is on card. Launched into orbit, Petey Alonso for the Mets. Nice die cut autograph for the New York Mets. Very nice. On card as well, of course. Very cool. Congratulations, NYM. NYM is going to Grouch. Nice, Grouch. Santillan for Cincy right here. We got a rookie, Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Kowarski. Rocket Arms, Verlander for the Astros. Again, all these cards will ship, guys. There's so many. I know this is a type of... Sometimes there's certain cards that are like this where it's just like... You just kind of ship them all. There's so many different, like... color sketches and, like... It's just one of those ones. Alec Thomas for the D-backs. Nick Lodolo refractor rookie. I imagine this is a set building one people would want as well. Tyler McGill for the Mets. Tim Anderson for the White Sox. And we got circles. Jazz Chisholm Jr. Old Jazzy J. Calling it circles, but Miami. We got a rookie, Ryan Velotti. Rocks. Ooh. Oh, boy. Come on, baby. We got Jose Siri, rookie. All right, guys, you ready? See what we got here. On top, Max Scherzer, Rocket Arms. And we got some orange. Oh, I thought it was Trout at first. Nice one for St. Louis. Juan Yepes. Boy, these are pretty, man. I mean, they're just so nice. Juan Yepes. Rookie orange. That is numbered 7 of 25. Is that Ev? That is going to Ev. Nice hit, Ev. 7 of 25 for Ev. I did transfer orange. Red or super transfer. We got Lodolo rookie for the Reds. Goldie for the Cardinals. Nice little Goldie action. Smoking year this year. Julio Rodriguez rookie. Here we go, Julio. We got a refractor rookie of Yanni Hernandez for the D-backs. And Jeremy Pena rookie for the Astros. There we go. Vato Loco. Probably looking for Patty Mahomes. Have you seen Holmes? Haven't seen him, Vato. We got Rocket Arms. Walker Buehler for the Dodge. Ozzy's boy right there. Brian Dela Cruz rookie for Miami. Is that a refractor? No. Refractor Lorenzo Cain, Insane in the Membrane for the Brew Crew. Who is that? Is that you, Amber? Is that Amber or Rybone? O'Neal Cruz rookie. It's got to be Amber, and if it's you're saying that Ryan is jealous. We got Launch into Orbit. Rodriguez. A-Rod. Alex Rodriguez. I don't know why I loaded that one, to be honest. But here we go. See some color. Our last ray of sunshine. And oh, sick! That is sick! Wow, man. Dude, this stuff is off the chain. It's not like multiple autos, hits, but boy, man. They just, when you get your hit for your guy. Seiya Suzuki Blue Prismatic Refractor. That is numbered to 99. What a beautiful rookie card for the Cubbies. Fantastic. And that is it, guys. So that is it for Cosmic Chrome. If you guys want me to get more, just let me know. I could probably have more for next weekend. Thank you all so much, guys. Appreciate everybody.